Hi, my name is Jordan, and this is my portfolio website. This is the home page, as you can see. It gives a quick synopsis of myself. I talk about myself, my major, my minor here at JMU. I give some of my interests, and it also has links to my resume, the artifacts, and my skills. And up here, you can see if you click on resume, I included my resume. I have my little synopsis on myself, my skills, my work experience, which I daycared, nannied, lifeguard, and I was a social media intern. And I also have my education, where I went to high school and college. I'm going to do artifacts last. So for this one, we have contact, and it gives my contact information down here. And it also gives you the ability to type up an email. You can type it all in and just hit send. I thought that was very interesting, and that stood out to me because it's useful and easy to use. And for artifacts, I listed here my 10 artifacts that I picked from this year, and each artifact has a picture or a video to the left of it. And if you click on it, my first one being the interactive timeline, you can click on it and it'll take you to my interactive timeline. And then on the right, I have a brief synopsis of this one, my reflection for it. Project 2 does the same thing, the ADDIE model. You can click here and it takes you to a link to open up the document right there. Yeah, as you can see this. So I thought that was interesting, and I gave my synopsis on this. I really liked how we used a document to do it. And then Project 3, same thing. You click, takes you to the mini project, which was the concept map. Project 4 was first time using Photoshop, and I really enjoyed this because my major is a lot of Photoshop, being a SMAD major, and that helped me practice another class, put two classes together and practice them. This one takes you to the YouTube video for this, and then I have my synopsis, my reflection for that. Same with this one, the Photoshop one, same as how I liked that a lot. This is a video that will play when it starts loading, but on the college one, I really enjoyed that because it was a teamwork exercise. This is another link to it that gives you a link. And then two more videos to end it off, and that finishes off with my 10 artifacts that I really enjoyed, and each artifact has a synopsis on why I loved it and my reflection on it.